Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export images on GIMP. So once you're on GIMP, you can go ahead and click File in the upper left. Here you'll find Export As. You select this. Now, the trick is that you want to go ahead and name your files. I'm going to just say Teddy, for example. Yeah. And right here, you can see that it says the PNG because that's the current, let's say, file of this image. But if you want to export it as something else, then you want to go ahead and choose where you want to export it. So we're going to just click Downloads Folder anyways. Then from here, you want to go ahead and you want to show or select the file type, right? So you can click this to expand, and here you'll find a bunch of different file types that you can choose from. So you scroll down and you can find them. You can see the extension type as well on the left side, and you can see the file type or the name directly on this side. So for example, let's scroll down and find, let's choose, for example, JPEG image. Let's say we want to export as this. You select this and then you click on export. And so this is going to export the image. So as you can see right here, I can choose a quality right here if I want to. I can plus minus, as you can see right here. It's really up to you. Let's say 100% or 100. Let's call it like that in terms of quality original. So you can go ahead and just basically choose, and you can say save settings. You have these where you can basically save your settings, right? Then you go ahead and you click export because you already select where you want to put it. But these are things that you can play around with. These are more advanced stuff, but you don't have to, right? Go ahead and click on export, and this is going to export the image. Now you're not going to see that it's completed or some pop-up window going to say that it's done. You will just have to go check your downloads folder in your computer, and let me move that over here so you can see. And you can see right away that it's exported. This is a JPG file, and I can open it, and it's working completely fine, as you can see there, right? So this is how you can export images in GIMP. Very easy, guys, and very simple. Hope you found this useful. And if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And thank you guys for watching.